Here's a second example of converting a non-base 10 number to a base 10 number. On the side over here, on the right side, you see that I've written the first for 6 to the 0, right? 6 to the 1, 6 to the 2, 6 cubed. I've written those there because they're going to be helpful to me. All right, so again, I want to convert this to base 10. And I don't care what base I'm converting it to. Right now, I'm not comfortable with bases other than 10. So no matter which direction you're going, put the number that's given, put it in the base. If you're given a number in a different base, think again what it means, and then write your little scenario here. So when you see this notation over here, if I'm base 6, this is what it means. I have 3 6 to the 0s, I have 5 6 to the 1s, I have 2 6 squareds. Yeah. So I'm not comfortable with it, so I'm going to write it that way. I want to convert it to base 10. So, well, this is nice. Let's see if I can be neater than my other video. Since I keep going back in your head, what does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? Well, this means it's just a count keeping of things. So this equals 3 times 6 to the 0 power plus 5 times 6 to the 1 power plus 2 times 6 squared. Yeah, and what does that equal? 3 plus 30 plus 7, let's see what, 12. Put the 1 up there, 72. Do I do that right? Yeah. And then what does that equal? And again, just want to make note, this is all base 10 work we're doing right now, right? Because I can do that in my head more easily than I can do base 6. So 72, 102, 105, I believe, base 10. 105 base 10, if I did everything right. Okay, a way of checking, and to get you practice going to another base, let's say I've started fresh, like I don't know anything above this line, and my prompt is convert 105 base 10 to base 6. Okay? And you're like, okay, well, I know what 105 base 10 is. It's not the same as 105 in base 6. So my goal is, well, what is it in base 6? So I start this. It is incorrect. Let's put it in red. That's how incorrect it is. Whoops. Let's put it in red. It is not correct. This is not the same thing as this. This is base 10. That means I have 100, 0 10s, and 1 5. Yeah? This means I would have had 1 36, 0 6s, and 5 1s. There's not the equivalent number. Okay, so I would not do that. But I need this, because that's what I'm converting to, and I can't do it in my head. Okay, so I think I have 105 base 10. I want to know, and maybe it's enough, maybe it's not enough. Sometimes you start, you don't have enough slots. But you could always start out and adjust later. So how many 36s go into 105? So how many 36s go into 105? So I can go, well, okay, 36, and another 36, that's 2, that's 72. Can I get one more in there? 36, 8, 108. Now, 3 would be too many, yeah? So I know, well, there are 2 36s that go into 105. Okay, so I'm going to come back down here. Let's put it in blue. So I know there's 2 36s that go into 105. Okay, and this is what I'm starting with. This is my new problem. So then I have 105. I've already taken care of 72. So 3, 3. I have 33 left. And I want to, now I'm on this slot over here, down in the bottom left. I want to know how many 6s go into 33. Well, how many 6s go into 33? I know 5 of them, yeah, because I'm comfortable with base 10. So I'm going to put a 5 over here, down on the bottom left. Whoops. And currently I'm at 33. Well, I've used up another 30. I have 3 left to do. And then I'm like, okay, now I'm in the 1 slot. So how many 1s go into 3? Well, 3 of them. Okay. So then your final answer for this problem, how convert 105 base 10 to base 6, is the conversion is 253. I'm sorry, 253 is not right to say. Yeah, 253 base 6. 253 base 6.